Right now behind me you see that we're trying to clear up our second bedroom so that we can use it as a host for either Airbnb or workaway.info. Go to that website if you don't know what I'm talking about. It's pretty cool. We're clearing our closet, trying to get it to the minimalist mode, and so we're gonna try to get rid of as much of this stuff as we can. I already got started on most of my clothes. I gotta figure out which shirts I want to keep and which ones I want to get rid of. This is Megu's closet right here, and then she's got a bunch of stuff over here, and so we gotta figure out all this stuff, what we need to do. Okay, so this is our room now, and then we'll see how it looks like once we get rid of all the unnecessary stuff. Okay, this is the girls' closet. Megu already got started on some of the items, some of the easy stuff. So we're gonna try to get both me and Megu's closet and the girls' closet into one, and so that we can all live in this one small room. Last night was the first night that Ria slept on top, and so the idea is for Megu and Lisa to sleep in the middle, and then I'll sleep at the bottom, and try to get used to the RV life way before we even start. You wouldn't believe how much junk we just got out of here. It's amazing how much stuff we accumulate and not even realize it. I must have thrown away 5-6 massive trash bags of just junk, and we still have all this stuff that we gotta get rid of. So this is round 2. This is the second time I go and do a donation over to the Salvation Army. I tried to sell as much of the stuff as I could online, but it was just it was taking too long, and I was losing my patience, I guess. I just want to get rid of it. Once you get on a roll, you just want to get rid of it as soon as possible. You know, I just wanted to mention that all this stuff right here is the 80% of stuff that we don't use. I have a trench coat in here that I was given by the Army when I went to basic training, and that was also the last time I wore it, right after the basic training for the graduation. It's the only time I wore it, but I've had it 20 years, which is it's pretty ridiculous. Hey y'all, so I'm trying to get our master bedroom ready for our workawayers. They're coming on the 17th. Today's the 9th. We just got back from California a few days ago, and yeah, there's a lot to do. I'm gonna go check out some beds, and the plan is coming along pretty well. Our first workawayers come tomorrow, and we're still throwing away a lot of trash, a lot of junk. We got a bag upstairs that we're gonna go donate. 24 hours to go, and we still can't get rid of enough stuff. Right, so this is our bedroom. 4 people live in here. So my oldest daughter on top, my wife and my youngest there, and I sleep in the bottom. You can see the only thing we have here is really those books. I guess they're hard to give up. Computer right there, and then all of our clothes. I'm on top, Megu in the middle, and then the girls in the bottom. Okay, right outside the room, she's taking a shower, but we emptied out that bathroom pretty much as we could. That's the bedroom there. We are using this Workaway hosting. As you can see, there's almost no personal pictures or anything. We got pictures of all those, and then threw them away. And then as we come down, you see the kitchen is probably the only thing that's the most crowded. And like I said, that's why it's 95% and not 100%. But we got rid of a lot of stuff that used to be up there. Tons of stuff. Like most of these cabinets are near empty. Just essentials basically. And then, so that's the kitchen. Living room is almost empty. We're getting rid of that stroller. That's our outdoor activity stuff. That area used to be completely packed with nonsense. Then that's my camera gear. All right, so again, no more photos. Don't ask me about those antlers. I don't have no idea where Meg got those. Toys of the kids, which there's a lot of stuff that we got to go through there and dump the stuff that you don't use. The only pictures that we have so far are from our friends, and then we have our work area, and that's it. And so to me it still seems like a lot. This is a closet. This closet we couldn't even walk into before, but now I got all kinds of room. A lot of those containers are empty, and yeah. I'm on my way to the airport to pick up our first Workawayers. I'm nervous, but I stayed busy trying to clean up the house and get everything in order. So I don't feel it yet, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be extra nervous in a little bit when I pick them up. But I'm also excited, and I know it's gonna be a good thing for our family to be able to kind of welcome new people in. Yeah, they're here. Our first Workaways are here. I got Lauren and Darren. And go ahead, guys, introduce yourselves.
I'm Lauren, I'm 24, and we're from Aberdeen, which is the northeast of Scotland.
Yeah, and I'm Darren. I'm Lauren's boyfriend. So yeah. This is our third workaway that we've done. So we've done one in Switzerland, we've done one in Greece, and now we're here. So loving it. Yeah, great. Yeah,
and then and we're super excited because we're first time Workaway host. So it worked out perfectly. We couldn't get any luckier. They have experience. They've been teaching us a lot about the Workaway. Also tips on traveling. They actually have a blog you can follow, and they have tons of tips on traveling. They've been doing it for a while now. Even before they went full time, they did a bunch of trips. That they have really nice pictures, really nice details. So what's your blog again?
It's called faramagan.com, and it's named after the Scottish saying for where am I going?
Yeah. Okay, so I'll put a link on the description below. Make sure you guys follow them. They're going to Fiji next, and then New Zealand, and they're gonna do an RV trip in New Zealand, which I'm super excited to watch, since I want to do one in the US and also in Japan, and then Australia for a little while, right?
Australia, yeah. For a year. Yeah.
So yeah, if you're not motivated to travel, make sure you keep watching and also check out their blog.
Do it.
So see you guys. Bye. See you guys in the next one.